long. Sharp. Long. Sharp. See here. This thing you have long. What is it? Sharp. Long. Sharp. Long. Sharp. The opposite of long is sharp. Long. Sharp. Very good. Long. Sharp. Super. Okay. Next. See. In. Out. In. Out. Here. See this ball. Now it is in. Now out. Super. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Next word. See here. Tick. Tin. Tick. See one example. See, this book has more number of pages. So this is thick. This book has less number of books. So it is thin. Okay, what is this? Thick. Thin. Super. Thick. Big, small. Big, small. See here. This ball is big. This ball is small. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Very good. See, next one. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Here, this bag is heavy. I find it difficult to carry. This bag is heavy. Weight carry. See here, this box is light, easy to carry. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Super. Heavy, light. Very good, very good. Understood, children? Now you tell me what is opposites. Opposite means, see, if it is thick, it will be thin. Opposite, எதிர்மறை. Okay, in Tamil they say எதிர்மறை. Okay, long means long.